All right, part two. We just spoke with Preston, the owner, and spoke about his cars and his dealership. Got a lot of respect for him. He's young and he's on it. He's getting it done. He told me his uncle, helped him when he passed on to get this place. And he had 4 daughters and they weren't interested in anything, but he always took an interest. So he ended up getting a dealership, which is super cool. Family business passed down. This is a Nova that he's working on, trying to get dialed in. He's got a problem with the something with a solenoid, but he was supposed to have that over at Nostalgia Nationals. I don't know if he'll make it or not. Z28, C6, SS Camaro. He's got some pickup trucks here as well. A little bit of everything here. Old Z71 like mine. It's a 98 SLT, 185,000 miles for $24,900. Oh, this Mopar over here. Sport Fury. You don't see too many of these. I like these wheels that they use here. They're sharp. Good old Sport Fury. With a 426 wedge in it. Wow. It's a Commando 426. Super neat. Look at that original sticker right there. It was a big car, but it looks pretty cool the way they got it set up with the wheels and everything. Nice. Excuse me. Some S10s. 56 build for $65,000. Old F100. Little small blocker in it. He said he gets a lot of these vehicles in within a 200-mile radius of Bowling Green. Look at that big block in there, 390. This is pretty cool. Not an original motor, but probably works real well in this Ranger. Very cool. School's in session. All right. Look at that narrowed end up under the rear. The school bus. Pretty cool. School is in session. This is the way school buses should have been built. Let's get them kids to school fast. Wheelie bars. Man, that is super cool. Like you said, he's got just a little bit of everything in here. $12,000 for this 78 Corvette. Look at that old Tennessee tag. This is one that needs everything. You get these older pieces like this and really you just need to resto mod it or go ahead and restore it, but it's just not worth restoring as much as it would take to get this car back to factory condition. It would overweigh the price of it, no doubt. All right, look at this little Nova. Neat. Memory Lane from Bureau, Kentucky. Old original race car. Man, this is cool. I wonder what the deal is with this one. Well, this thing looks like fun. Little 327 in there. Oh yeah. Fender well headers. Well, this thing's cool. I like to have this just to drive on the street just the way it sits. I'm gonna have to ask him about this car. 24.9. That's pretty cool. Well, you know, he talked about gateway cars and this, that, and the other thing. And he looks at making X amount of profit on it. And doesn't try to gouge people with the prices on his vehicles. So that's pretty cool. He said he's the classic car auto mart for the working man class, you know. Pretty nice little Z28 there. That's sold for $15,000. These can make really cool drag cars as well. That thing's all original though, original paint and everything, it looks like. Of the Z28. I had one of these, the same exact car. Only had 14 miles on it. It was still in the wrapper. Thinking these cars were really going to come up in price when they discontinued the Camaro. But it never happened. They went up into the 20s. I paid 17 for the car, and I think I sold it for 24 about 12 years ago. But it was still in the wrapper with, you know, very, very low miles on it. It was a fun car. It did run well. Did run real well. At SLP, induction and everything. ZL1. Camaro convertible. Pretty sweet. No price on that one. Oh, look at that. Got a little mini tub up under the rear of this nice little pickup. Little Chevy with a big block in her. 396. Man, this is a pretty cool little build here. I like it. C5. What the heck is this thing? That's an old Hudson. Wow, it's in beautiful condition. These were funky cars. My mom, that was her first car, was one of these cars. It's a 49 Hudson for $19,900. You couldn't build this car for $19,000, even if you owned it. Somebody did a nice paint on it. Hudsons weren't my deal, but they're still pretty cool looking back at some of the history of the Hudson Hornet and racing in Daytona Beach. There's a Firebird. Spirit. Yeah, a lot of these cars are all local cars. $19,900 for that 79 Firebird. It's pretty cool. Starliner. Another 56. This one's all original. Tri-5 Nationals, Bowling Green. $27,900 on that. 56. Ooh, a little Maverick. Don't see too many of these. A small block Ford in it. $24,000. Oh, I missed this pickup truck over here. 06 Mustang convertible, 13.5. This is neat. I like those ghost flames. This does not have a price on it. Looks like they're still doing a little bit of work on it. Speedo and stuff is out of it. Look at those wheels. That is sharp. That's a nice build there, boy. Nice. C8. This Caprice. Kind of cool. Is it a big block car? That's what we need to know. Wow, it is a 396 turbojet. Super nice. All original. Just the way it came. Pretty neat build there. $19,900. 81 Corvette. All right. Well, I'm going to head on into the other building. I'll leave you with these cars. Muscle Car Corner out.